Hello friends, this is Dr. Zainab. Once again I am back with one more wonderful Modicare Well multivitamin and multimineral supplement. So as we all know that vitamin and minerals are very necessary in our daily life for each and every person. So this multivitamin and multimineral contains about 12 vitamins, 8 minerals, 6 phytonutrients and 2 amino acids. We cannot have a complete balanced diet though we take all 3 meals. Some of the other vitamins and minerals have been left. So with this one supplement you can have a complete tonic along with your meals. So I can tell what are the problems can be solved along with the supplements. First of all, I can tell the first point, I can tell it's a bone problems, any type of osteoporosis, low bone density, joint problems. It may be because of calcium mineral deficiency. Second, like excessive alcohol and like smoking may leads to magnesium deficiency. The third, I can tell weakness and tiredness comes because of iron deficiency. Fourth problems, we can talk about there must be lots of digestion like or any kidney problems. It may lead to potassium deficiency. The fifth, I can tell about any like slow growth or weak immunity a person has. It is maybe because of zinc deficiency. The sixth problems I can talk about like weak eyesight. Now weak eyesight has become a very like a normal phenomenon. It may be because it is because of mainly vitamin A deficiency. The seventh, I can talk about any type of skin problems. It has also become very common. It may leads to vitamin E deficiency. The 8th, I can tell teeth and gum problems, vitamin C deficiency, and many persons have paralysis. They get paralyzed very soon and they have because of weak muscles. It may be because of vitamin B1 deficiency. All these deficiencies are because of lack of vitamins and minerals in our body. So for that only meal cannot help. Along with that, this one tablet can solve all the problems. And like in everyday meal you cannot take 10 eggs, or you can't drink 2 liters of milk, or half kg of almonds, or 500 grams of spinach. So it is impossible, but all these things has been put inside this one supplement which can give you a complete tonic. And the way how you have to take this tablet is not before or after meal. It should be taken along with the meal, especially during breakfast. Have half breakfast and then just stop it, take one supplement tablet of this and then continue and finish the remaining tablets. So I am going to show a small demo. So now at present times the food whatever we are eating doesn't have full purity. So for that I am going to show a small demo. This is a drinking water. I am just drinking and showing. So I am pouring it in a glass. This is our stomach which is now cleared. I am adding betadine solution. Betadine solution is a dirt. There is a toxin. There is a dirt purity in our stomach. So this multivitamin, multiminerals does what? I am just taken half of the tablet. I am just crushing it. I am just putting it. It goes inside our stomach and does what? You all can lively see what is happening. It not only prevents the deficiency but it also purifies the toxins from our body. if you all can lively see this. And I do wish for each and every individual who has not started with the supplement, please do start with this from today onwards, and especially adult elderly persons who is with weak immunity, sportsman, gym going persons, and who is having hectic schedules like office going persons, and who is having a habit of tobacco and smoking habits, and even a normal individuals also has to take, I can tell every individual has to take this, because vitamins and minerals are very much required in our daily life. And for further queries you can call on me or WhatsApp me on 9404085223. Thank you.